Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove app drawer categories on your XIAOMI 15T. So it's very simple to do. First of all, you have to swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to open app drawer, and then you have to access settings in the top right corner of your screen. This is this gear icon, and now open manage app categories and find option that says categorize apps, and please make sure that it's off. And now if you go back to your app drawer, all the categories should be gone, leaving you with a single alphabetical list of all of your installed applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.